So this channel, it's called Black Iowa. If you haven't seen his channel yet, you can check him out. He's a lot of fun. Makes some good videos. Anyway, he did these little candy pop things with faces on them for Halloween for a collaboration video we did, and I loved the idea. And since I got little ones, I'm gonna do my version of it for them, and here it is. All right, so today I'm making little Goblin candies. This is inspired by Black Iowa's video, and I'm going to do for my grandkids and sneak it in Halloween. So it involves, I'm using white chocolate and butterscotch, mixing them together. It involves marshmallows and decorating, and yeah, Black Iowa. I like the idea, and I'm going to do it for the grandkids. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, I'm heating up some water. I'm gonna melt the cheese. I'm gonna melt the cheese. I'm actually gonna melt the chocolate, white chocolate, right there. And coming up next will be my. Come on, there we go. And those are my butterscotch chips. We're gonna melt them together and mix them all up. I was doing something a little different. I was gonna involve some Oreo cookies and double marshmallows, but that whole thing just fell apart. So anyway, so there, watch that as I grab, well, I eat one of those cookies. Anyway, melting the white, I'm gonna say cheese again. What the hell? We are melting our chocolates. Okay, so there is my melted butterscotch and white chocolate. This is my double marshmallow fail thing. That's really kind of, I switched over to singles. That's how Black Iowa did them, and it actually worked out pretty successful. So I was gonna put wings and all kind of stuff on it. Nope, not worrying about it. So there we go. We're gonna do a few more of these, and then I am going to just enjoy. Alright, there we go. We got them all done. Look at that. A bunch of them, so yeah, my grandkids should be happy. I'm going to put those in the fridge. We're going to let them firm up a little bit, and then we're going to get around to decorating with these fancy eyes. Eyes. Anyway, so I used a little bit of some icing. That's how I was attaching the eyes to it to get them to stick. And you'll see here in a second there. It worked actually pretty good. Again, I put them back in the fridge after this so that it would continue to firm up and become one. Become one with the marshmallow goblins. Become one. So anyway, and it worked out pretty good. There they are. Looking scary. Get out of the picture. Bunch of little goblins. Got a couple of cyclops. A couple have mouths, but I like them better without the mouths. Alright, the grandkids are going to love these tomorrow. Get some pics. Anyway, great idea at Black Iowa. Thanks for the inspiration. Just cook the damn food. Grab. Yep, that's not going to work. And that's because you could certainly argue. What are you looking at? What are you looking at?